In this video, I'll show you how to add a shop button to your Facebook page in just a few simple steps. A shop button makes it easier for visitors to browse your products and learn more about what you're selling. It's a great feature if you run a business and want people to quickly access your store from your page. First, open the Facebook app and go to your Facebook page. Once you're on the page, look near the top under your page name where the action buttons appear. Tap on the Add button or Edit Action button option. Facebook will then show you several button choices you can add to your page. From the list, select Shop Now. After selecting it, Facebook may ask you to add a website link where people can view or buy your products. Enter the link to your online store or product page, then tap Save to apply the button. Once it's saved, the Shop Now button will appear on your page, allowing visitors to tap it and go directly to your shop. And that's it. That's how you can add a shop button to your Facebook page. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.